Hello children, good morning. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. So this is the first chapter of grade 3. Before we start the lesson, I want you all to be ready with a pencil so that you can do the activity and exercises. So the first lesson we are going to read is The King and the Bees. So let's start. This is the warm-up section. Let me read it out for you. Did you know that a bee has 5 eyes? Do some research and find out. So the first question is, where do bees live? Write the answer, beehive. So the bees live in beehive. What do bees give us? The bees give us honey. Write the answer, honey. What do bees take from flowers? So the answer is nectar. The bees collect the nectar from flowers. So let's start reading the chapter. Long ago, there lived a very wise king. He was known far and wide for his wisdom. One day, when the king was in his court, the queen of the neighboring land came to meet him. So, long ago there was a very wise king, and he was known for his wisdom and intelligence. One day when the king was in his court, the queen of the neighboring land came to meet him. See here the picture, and we can read the conversation. O king, I have heard you are very wise. Is this true? It is, as you say, queen. I have a puzzle to test your wisdom. May I proceed? Yes, of course. So the queen brought a puzzle to test the king's wisdom, and she wanted the permission to test his wisdom. One of these rats is made of flowers plucked from your garden. The other is made of artificial flowers. Now tell me, which of these is made of real flowers? I'm truly confused. The two rats looked so alike, the king could not tell the difference. Then he remembered that there was a climbing vine with flowers outside his window. He also remembered that there was a beehive with many bees next to the vine. Children, as you all could see the picture, there is a climbing vine. Climbing vine is nothing but a climber. You all would have seen money plant, right? So this climbing vine is just like a money plant which needs support to grow. Okay, you can also see near to the climbing vine a beehive, and a beehive has a lot of bees. Clear? The king had an idea. Aha! Open that window. In came the bees. Soon there was a swarm of bees around the wreath made of real flowers. Oh, queen, you have my answer. You are truly wise, my king. So let me summarize the story for you. Long ago, there was a wise king known for his wisdom and intelligence. So the queen of the neighboring land, who came to know about the king and his wisdom, she decided to meet him once, and one day she visited the king and told the king that she has heard a lot about his intelligence and wanted to test his intelligence. The king said she may proceed. So the queen had asked her helper to bring 2 wreaths. The helper brought 2 wreaths in front of the king. So are nothing but it is a circular ring which is decorated with flowers and leaves, as you all can see in this picture. Then the queen asked the king to find out the wreath which was made of real flowers, because between the two wreaths, one was made of artificial flower and the other was made of real flowers. So the king was really confused to figure out the wreath made of real flowers, because both the wreath looked similar, and he was really confused. He remembered that there was a climbing vine with flowers outside his window. He also remembered that there was a beehive with many bees next to the vine. He got an idea. He let the windows of his palace be opened. As soon as the windows was open, soon there was a swarm of bees around the wreath made of real flowers. So why the bees came around that particular wreath? Because it was made of real flowers and the other was made of artificial flowers. So bees were humming only around that particular wreath. And so the king replied, "You have my answer. You are truly wise, my king." So the king was really smart, isn't it? This is the exercise section. The question is, choose the correct option from the brackets to complete the sentences. So the first one, long ago there lived a very good or wise king. So the answer will be wise king, because the king was really wise. He dashed that outside his window was a climbing vine with flowers. He forgot or remembered. The answer will be remembered. The king had an plan or idea. The king had an idea. The fourth one, the two wreaths looked dash alike or different. It was similar. The two wreaths looked similar, so it will be alike. The king was truly dash foolish or wise. The king was truly wise. Thank you.